How to assemble the scientific rotary evaporator 1 liter. Model SH-RE-1L. Components: head, water bath, evaporating flask, receiving flask, condenser, and etc. Assembly. Assemble rotary shaft to head. Insert clip into rotary shaft in the same direction as shown in the video. Insert clamp nut and tighten it. Insert spring chuck and tighten it. Insert the assembled rotary shaft into head. Install the main seal and auxiliary seal on the opposite side of the head. Push the main seal brown side visible direction into the head inner end. Push auxiliary seal convex side visible direction into the head inner end. Step 1 assembly completed. Assemble condenser rod. Insert condenser rod into the hole on the left side of head and tighten it with screw. Assemble the condenser and clamp first before mounting the condenser on condenser rod. Before connecting condenser to the head, put condenser cover on the condenser and put condenser fastening spring. Connect the condenser to the head and tighten it with condenser cover. Insert feed valve. Insert the feed tube into the rotary shaft. Connect receiving flask to the condenser. The green stripe inside the condenser is the protective packaging. Remove the green stripe when actual assembling. Assemble vacuum gauge on top of condenser rod. Assemble water nozzle. After completing assembly, place the water bath under the evaporating flask. Connect power cable to water bath and evaporator unit. There are 2 ports on pressure gauge. The upper port need to be connected to the vacuum pump and lower port need to be connected to the condenser.